Alright, we're doing daytime walk with Mr. Pancho. He's looking for squirrels. Pancho, where's the squirrel? Got him on the rope for harness. He's doing great. He's very relaxed. Gets him like a glove. He's sniffing deluxe. He's pouring. Ugh. Lots of cars out. School just got out. He's doing fine. He's doing fine. He's definitely in pointer mode. Not letting me touch him, but that's fine. Just leave him alone. He's happy. He can smell a squirrel up there. Pancho, where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Is he up there? Is he up there? Yeah, one thing he does is little chickens, little touch chickens. I love that. I know he's happy. Alright, let's get back to it.